Meaning of familiarly.
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 Familiarly. Familiarly is an adverb that describes a manner of behavior, conversation, or interaction that is friendly and informal, often suggesting a level of closeness or intimacy. Using familiar language or tone can convey a sense of ease and comfort in social situations. However, using familiar language or behavior with someone who expects more formal treatment may come across as unprofessional or disrespectful. It's important to be mindful of the context and the relationship with the person before using familiar language or behavior.